How's that, everyone? All right, today we're gonna go out fishing again and diving. So get my son and two of his friends. So we'll see what we catch today. So we all set up, ready to go. Only thing is raining today, yeah. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's dry there in Hilo side. Look at the sky, still cloudy, yeah. So today, Jordan gonna try to use his little pen pole, see what he can catch, because he lost his auto pole, the one he got from Tokinaga. So we'll see.
That's how you put the pole right between your legs, so like it was like pulling it. It was amazing.
So Jordan, you ready?
Ready for catch fish or bite fish?
Okay.
Okay,
You
okay.
like go catch at the store?
We can, yeah. it's on sale, 10 for 10.
All right, and you're gonna test your pen pole today, right?
Yeah, that's from Timu.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, cheers. We'll catch you guys in the water. Aloha. All right, we're here at the ramp, getting ready to go. Okay, see you guys in the water. Shoot. Alright, we're here almost to Honoka side. My son and the two friends are diving over there. And me and Jordan stay setting up. Well, Jordan stays setting up his pole. Which one?
Belly. No. It's underneath. No. Underneath the heel.
All right, and they caught one. I don't know what the name of that. Color.
Color.
Color, yeah. Nice big one. All right. All right.
Caught one.
Jordan caught one. What is that again? Monocoli.
Yeah.
Monocoli.
That one's a little small, so we can throw back.
Yeah. All right, Jordan. What you got? Oh, nice.
I don't know what that is, but that's good. There's a keeper.
Yeah.
Oh, it has sharp teeth. I ain't touching that. Fuck that. Oh, shit.
All right, whatever fish that is.
Sorry. Yeah.
It's really perfect.
It is.
Nice catch, Jordan.
Good catch. Aloha. Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
Shit.
Came off. Oh. Yes, sir.
The Hawaiian rockfish.
All right. Perfect size, perfect size. Yeah, you can throw them back. Yeah, they're so wavy. Oh, the diver still over there, but me and Jordan stay here, up and down with the waves over here. So the good thing is there's fish over here. Not the kind, what you call that, toa, but other kind, different kinds fish. So we're gonna stay here for a little while till the diver's ready to go, then we're going to try some other places. All right, cute.
Hey, what happened?
Came off.
Oh, I see him now.
It's a big one. It's a big one. Coming up.
I think it's the rock. You hit the rock. The fish.
No, it's pulling it. Just keep bringing it up.
Oh, shit.
Oh man. Okay, lost that one. All right, such a wavy place. Oh, look at that wave. Ooh, kind of scary over here. All right. Oh, come on. Man, big one. Guess we know we gotta bring bigger lines for the side.
I get right here, but it's taking a fit.
All right. Caught one big one, but one snap. Alright, so Jordan gonna try his bigger pole with the bigger line.
Ready to catch big fish.
Yep. For sure, this is not gonna snap. Alright. Alright, we call fishing. We're heading back home right now. So we're almost there. Alright, gotta take picture of all the fish again. Nice.
Kala, Ninui, Umamale. Ooh, look at that.
Nice.
More Umamale. And then Jordan caught is Table Boss.
Table boss, there you go.
Oh, that took me about 15 minutes to fight him.
15 minutes.
Oh yeah. I told you ulua.
But you had like, you had on the pole like
Two times.
Two times something
Lure.
would bend his pole.
And the thing was dragging the line. Zzz, I put him in, and the thing took the hook off.
Jeez. Well, next time.
Yeah.
Next time you're gonna catch him because he was getting ready to use his big pole with the big line and big hook, but everybody came back and it was time to go home.
Yeah, and then sorry I never used my Timo pole because we're not that far, big fish. So next time we go inside, I'll use the Timo pole and I'll show you guys if it's good or not good.
All right, until next time.
Shoots. Aloha mahalos.
Okay, here's the catch for the day. The diver's got some fish here and then he's got some fish on the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, that's a very good catch right there. Perfect. And then right now I'll stay watching the boat. We'll get back to you guys I guess on another trip because this trip was a little bit short. We had to go diving and then I had to try to figure out the gas of my boat going that far, so you know it kind of a lot of gas. So next time we're gonna bring like four of those 5 gallons just to make the trip going down, come back. And then maybe do some fishing here by the rock wall. I mean the break wall. Catch some towels and you know the other kind of fish. Okay, besides that, we had fun. My son and his 2 friends had fun diving. New location, never did dive there, and you know they had a lot of fish. Therefore, even fishing with the rod. Jordan caught big, nice. I think it was a hawkfish and some other kind of fish. But yeah, we'll try that area another time. We'll get back to you guys on the next trip. But this time I didn't fly my drone, you know, it was too wavy. Way out there was too wavy, but next time. All right, thank you for watching. Aloha.